area of a trapezoid. So the area formula, we're going to use a big A, which is going to be 1/2 A plus B times the height. Or it can look like this. You might see it. A plus B over 2 times the height. Now we're going to get to the same answer. But let's go over what A and B and H are, because those all mean the same thing. So we can have a trapezoid that looks like this, or we can have something like this. But the most important thing is you have one set of lines, right, that are parallel to each other. And these are A and B, and they can be interchangeable. It doesn't matter which one you call A and which one you call B. Now the height is the distance between these two. So for here, this line is straight, so that would be our height, right? But it's anything in between these two lines. That's the H, so for a height. So let's go ahead and solve for example 1. So we're going to find the area of the trapezoid. Well, let's go ahead and use this formula. So we have area equals 1/2 A plus B times H. We have 1/2, that stays the same. Now this can be considered A, and this can be B. So we have 10 plus 16. Now our height. Well, our height is between these two parallel lines, and we notice that we have a 9 there. Now let's go ahead and bring out our calculators. Now if we go 1 divided by 2, right, that's just 0.5, which is great. And then now we can go 10 plus 16, which is 26. So times 26 times 9, and we get our answer, which is 117. And this is in feet squared. Now let's go ahead and look at the next example. Example 2, contractor needs to determine the area of the deck below that needs a full replacement. So let's find the area for the contractor. So we're going to use the second formula just to show you that we can use either one. So we have A plus B over 2 times H. Well, we can call this our A and this our B. So we have 7 plus 9 divided by 2. And then what's our height? Well, our height is right this distance between these two. And so it would be R4. So we put 4. And this is information we don't care about. So in order to solve, we go 7 plus 9. So that's 16 divided by 2 times 4. So 16 divided by 2, right? We could get our calculators out, but we can just do this in our heads. That's 8, and then times 4. Well, 8 times 4 is 32. And then our units, right, is feet squared, because this is area. And so that would be our solution.